I'm caravanning today, Brokers Caravan in Hidden Hills. Just gonna show you some cool homes. This is such a beautiful community. They have their own community house and pool area and tennis courts. It's also horse property. So look at all these. So everybody's got access to trails and arenas. Hidden Hills is next to Calabasas. It's its own community, it's its own little town. And there's some really beautiful homes. A lot of celebrities live here. And today we're gonna check out, wait, so I'm going the right way. We're gonna check out, some homes that are open, and it's gonna be very fabulous. So here's another home. You can see there's hills. It's so picturesque.